In the last video, we learned that RAM only stores data while your computer is running. The moment you turn off your computer, RAM forgets almost everything. Okay? But your photos, documents, games, videos, they are all still there. So clearly we can say that there has to be another place or device where your computer stores everything permanently, and that's called storage. So today we are going to see two types of storage, HDD versus SSD. So let's start this video and understand this with a simple example. Let's suppose you are writing your college assignment and you type for 2 hours, right? You click on save button and then shut down your computer. The next morning you open the laptop and your assignment is exactly where you left it. Why so? Because when you click save, the file wasn't stored in RAM, it was stored in your computer's storage. So at the beginner level, RAM is empty, but you can still show or see your photos because of the permanent storage. Storage remembers your data even when the power is completely off, right? So think of storage as your computer's permanent memory. Everything important lives here. Your photos, documents, videos, games, even operating system is also here. Anything you want to keep even after turning off your computer is reside here. Unlike RAM, storage never forgets. Remember this thing. And take a second and think that what's the oldest photo saved on your laptop or phone? Maybe it's 5 years old or maybe it's 10. That's because storage keeps your data safe for years. So today, computers mainly use these two types of storage. The first is HDD, which stands for hard disk drive, and the second is SSD, which stands for solid state drive. So first we will see HDD. Inside an HDD, there is a spinning disk, almost like a tiny record player. The disk spins and a small reading head moves to find your data. Because of these moving parts, HDDs are slower and also they make noise, right? And SSD has no moving parts. It stores data using flash memory, allowing it to access files much faster. Okay? And they are also silent. That's why computers with SSDs boot quickly, apps open faster, and file transfers also finishes in less time. So here is a challenge for all of you. If you had a copy to 10 GB movie, okay, which one do you think would finish first? An HDD or an SSD? Type your answer in the comment section below. Okay, so let's make this super simple again with the simple example of library. All the books are neatly arranged on the shelves. That's your storage. Whenever you need a book, you take it from the shelf and place it on your study table. The library is your HDD or SSD. We can say that. The study table is your RAM, and you means the reading book. You are the CPU. The bigger lesson here is this: storage keeps everything safe. Okay, and RAM holds what you are using right now, and the CPU does the work, right? So simply replacing an HDD with an SSD can make an old computer feel dramatically faster, even if you don't change the CPU or RAM. So tell me one thing, which one should you choose if you are buying a new laptop today? So my suggestion will be SSD. Go for an SSD because yes, it costs a little more, but you will get all these features. Faster startup, faster apps, faster file transfers, better gaming performance, and overall experience is so good and a much smoother experience overall. Okay, so HDDs are still useful if you need lots of storage at a lower cost, but for your main drive, SSD is the clear winner. So today we solved an important mystery about HDD and SSD. Alright, but tell me one thing, how do all these components actually connect and communicate with each other? That's exactly what we will explore in the next video in Motherboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to CodePaath and share it with your friends. Until then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.